As part of the Sakhalin-2 development, Sakhalin Energy is constructing twin pipelines, 800 kilometers long. Built in harsh terrain and often in severe weather, they're an impressive feat of engineering in their own right. But one of the most important challenges for the construction teams is to leave the neighboring landscape as close as possible to the way they found it. Removing vegetation from the riverbanks can cause soil erosion, particularly on the steeper slopes. If the soil was allowed to slide down into the watercourses, it could cause damage to aquatic plants, fish, and spawning beds. Therefore, an entire suite of temporary erosion controls is installed as soon as an area is cleared for construction. Slope breakers help to reduce the velocity of the water and direct it off the right-of-way to minimize surface erosion. Assessors check these and the other control measures regularly to ensure they're still working effectively, particularly after heavy rainfall. Another effective technique is to use excavators to leave wheel marks in the soil. Again, the result is to lower the speed of the water. Check dams made of sandbags are another effective way of slowing down the flow of water and capturing larger soil particles. Further down the slope, settlement ponds collect the water. The silt sinks to the bottom, while the water is filtered through another drain before it's allowed to enter the river. Silt fences are the last barrier in this series of control measures. The fences slow down any remaining water, while at the same time catching and filtering any sediment. Once the pipeline has been laid, the trench is filled with previously excavated spoil. We often treat riverbanks with a treated surface like this, known as riprap. As well as reducing surface erosion, this also helps to stabilize the banks, ready for permanent reinstatement. In the spring, the teams begin reinstating the ground they've worked on in the winter. Where appropriate, this is done with harvested grass seeds matching the same species on Sakhalin Island. In 2007, most reseeded areas for temporary erosion control are showing encouraging signs of new growth.